guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the very first time, do consider subscribing और अगर आते जाते रहते हो तो welcome back. So basically in today's video we are gonna talk about new brand which is called as Alpha Vedic. Now recently we just played Holi and it was a festival. So of course हमने अपनी जो होली है वो ऐसे केमिकल वाले कलर्स के साथ खेली है जिससे हमारे हेयर को बहुत ही सफर करना पड़ा था. So now in this video I am gonna talk about hair care. So basically I came across this brand called as Alpha Vedic and from that I got two products. So the first product is this one. So that's how the packaging looks like. So now this is onion shampoo plus natural conditioner. This is sulfate free, paraben free and cruelty free. Just look at this cute packaging. The packaging is literally very cute. Now these days बहुत लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि after playing Holi or like after being so sweaty हमारे hair में बहुत itching होती है. But this also claims that it will prevent those itchings. So I think this is the best thing so far. Okay, so now let's talk about its advantages. Now this is damage repair, anti-dandruff, anti-hair fall, nourishing and great fragrance. You have to choose our product very much carefully and wisely because these days all the products are coming with so much of chemicals which are literally very harmful to our skin and especially to our roots and scalp. Now let's talk about its ingredients. So it has red onion extracts, black seeds oil, neem extracts which is literally good for your hair and pro vitamin B5. This is a unique combination of onion oil plus natural conditioner. Your hair will literally feel shinier and more smoother. So now the brownie point is that it is not only good for you but also it's good for environment because they're literally growing more and more trees as in when you are purchasing the product from them. So using this kind of shampoos, my hair feels so strong, so smoother and shinier that I'm just ready for this weekend to rock. Also, this is anti-pollution, so it will literally prevent from dandruff and split ends. This is literally a barrier against pollution. Now let's move towards another product which we have from Alpha Vedic. Oh, we have this one. So now this is the onion hair oil from Alpha Vedic. So now the only one thing which attracts me a lot these days, especially in hair oil, is this thing. Now this comes with the comb applicator. This is literally best thing for me. Literally makes my work very much easier because it just comes with this comb applicator. So now let's talk about the benefits of this oil. The first thing is it's non-sticky and non-smelly. Now sometimes if you are applying onion hair oil, now literally you feel that it might be stinky or it may stink a lot just because it has onion inside it, but no, trust me. But guess what? This is non-sticky and non-smelly. Now this will literally boost your hair growth and it will reduce split ends and also it will give much more shine to your hair. So now this is not only good for your volume or for your length of the hair, but also it's literally very much healthy for your scalp and for your roots. Now talking about its ingredients, this literally has vitamin E, also amla extracts and neem extracts, coconut oil, sunflower oil and castor oil. Also this will not cause any infection to your skin or your scalp. This will literally repair your damage. So now if in case you are interested to purchase any of these products or if you want to get your hands on hair oil and shampoo, all you have to do is you just have to reach them out on their website or Amazon or Flipkart. Also wait a minute, guess what? You will also get discount on these products. All you have to do is you have to apply my coupon code which will be flashing right on your screen and you have to enter that coupon code and you will get instant 20% discount. Okay, so this was all about our hair care routine. Now let's talk about skincare routine. So as promised, I am back with a review of Multani Mitti powder. I have been using this since now 2 weeks and then only I'm coming over here and reviewing about this product. Packaging looks like and this is literally very nice. Literally I have finished this much and then only I'm coming here and reviewing this product. Also it can literally fight acne and pimples and this is also good for your hair and for your skin. This will literally make your skin oil free. Also, this will reduce all blackheads and whiteheads which we have on our skin. That was all about this product. So now I think I should end this video over here. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for showing so much love on Smitten app video. This was literally not expected, but thank you so much for showing so much of love on that video. I'll try to link in the description box below, so you can just go and check it out, and don't miss that thing, because you're getting so much products, like 6 to 7 products in just rupees 200. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.